welcome to yet another compelling episode of Dheya Masterpieces. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Sai Sanjeev Patna. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much, Shreyas. Thank you so much.
Let us commence today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So, please, can you walk us through that?
Yeah, sure. Certainly. I finished my BCom honors way back in 2002, and since then I've been working with various banks at various levels. So my first job was with HSBC in Hyderabad. I was working with their investments, new business investments division, where I used to do the KYC checks and deal with the new business account opening for their tax saving instrument. After that, I just wanted to explore. I worked with a few call centers for about a year just to see how the call centers life would be. After that, for about a year with the call centers, I joined Swiss Bank, right? I joined a bank called UBS, Union Bank of Switzerland. I joined their investment banking operations, and I worked there for about 9 years. I spent close to 12 years with various banks at various roles, doing collateral management. I worked with UBS, then Citibank, then my most recent work experience in this field was with Societe Generale, which is a French investment bank, right? And after that, I am looking for new career operations, basically new career new career opportunities. And I worked with Society General as a senior manager, where I was heading a team, different processes, doing the treasury management, collateral management, cash management, and yeah. So that was the most recent. And after that, I did little bit of working with a startup. And during this time was actually when I got to know about Dheya. Since the time I started working with HSBC, it has already been more than 17 years. And I would say that, maybe it's a fate of luck or destiny, I would say, that I received a mail from Dheya. And I really wanted to explore this particular career opportunity. And after going through the various materials, speaking to the people, and basically seeing the way they so basically their approach, I really liked it,
Right.
right? I really liked it because I felt that this is more scientific approach where you really understand what the person is made up of internally, and basis that that person gets to choose, or for example the career mentor gets into a position where he or she will be able to work with the students to actually to guide them choose their career options purely basis on how they are internally made of, which I haven't heard of such a concept earlier. And later also I met the Dheya team, including the founders and their core team on several occasions. And I felt that they're very approachable people and they know what they're doing. And the best part is they really want to build a very strong India, which is like the best sort of ambition anyone can have.
What exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join this?
Yeah, see, what exactly inspired me was, the position that I was in when uh, I was a student. So, for example, when I passed out of BCom, uh, there was nobody to really tell me that, these are my options, right? Because if, say, back in 2002, if there was a Dheya and, somebody had spoken to me, then I would have been a different person doing something else right now. Because, because, because when people don't have any mentor or, or a guide, right? I think
Correct.
they cannot fully utilize their abilities, or they'll end up doing something which maybe they are not the best fit to do, right? Because at the end of the day, I mean, any person will have to do something where he or she is actually made to do, right? For example, I am good with speaking with people and working with people, etc., etc. But somewhere I felt that maybe, I mean, people will feel that maybe they're not in the right job. So I think that is a gap that I really want to fill in, right? Help students make a right career decision.
After becoming a career mentor and joining here, what exactly changed or shifted in you as a person?
See, as a person, the mentors also are made to go through the same type of tests basically to understand themselves. So, which really helped me understand myself, and I have a different perspective about myself, right? Uh, and that really helps me to actually push myself in the right direction, which is what I'm currently working on.
What advice or suggestion would you like to give to today's parents, students, and public about career and how to exactly choose a career path?
So the only suggestion or feedback I can give basis 17 years of working is that I mean, see, choosing a career is far difficult than choosing a life partner,
Yes,
right? Uh, yeah, and we all know how crucial it is to actually choose the right life partner, right? That becomes really difficult, right? Uh, and that's a very important decision. And and if you look at the career, I mean, any person will have to work at least for 40 or maybe 30 or 40 years, which is like the prime of one's life. So if a
yes,
decision is so if the right decision is not taken right at the front, right at the beginning of when a child completes his or her schooling, college, etc. I think that really decides how happy certain individual will be in the future, right? I think that is one of the key things that any parent would will have to decide. Because see, I personally have two kids, and and after coming into their fold, I'm really conscious about my kids future, and I certainly will be taking care of my kids in such a manner that maybe I'll have to put them through the those the entire process of going through the assessment test, seeing what exactly is their mental makeup. Basis that I think basis that I'll actually help them choose their career path. And and like I said, that is one of the key things that any parent should bear in mind. And at the same time also, for the student also, it becomes really helpful if they understand what sort of career would actually suit them, so
correct.
that they are doubly motivated to actually work towards it, rather than somebody who just does, for example, somebody does BTech after, say, their plus two, and they're just going into BTech just for the sake of it, or because their friends have actually chosen that path. They don't really appreciate what they're doing. I'm sure nobody would like to fall in that situation, because they'll end up spending some time, their money, and they're not really gaining anything out.
I sincerely thank you for taking out time for us and sharing your experience over here today. Thank you very much. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.